much.
Thank you. A very good morning to one and all present here. First of all, I request all the non-speakers to keep their mic on mute. The speaker complete this session and we will question and answer round at last. I, Bijan Singh Verma, on behalf of Chaudhary Charan Singh National Institute of Agriculture Marketing, so welcome you all the KisanMitr webinar series on agriculture organized by CCS Nizam in partnership with National Scientific Advisor Government of India. CCS National Institute of Agriculture Marketing Jaipur is under Ministry of Agriculture and Welfare Government of India to cater to various agriculture related such as training, research, facilities, certification, agriculture marketing. CCS Niam is also the Center of Excellence in South Asia. KisanMitr Friends to Farmers is an initiative by Principal Scientific Advisor partnership with Chaudhary Charan Singh National Institute of Agriculture Marketing Jaipur. The objective of this initiative farmers migrants who have lived the impact of COVID-19. Under this initiative, more than 1,000 technologies are supported by ICR institutions. Supply side of the program, there are innovators, entrepreneurs, researchers in academic research institutions their technology and their webinar participants emphasize government functionaries, agri-business companies, and stakeholders who are in the agri-technologies. Moving further, I would like to introduce our today's speaker, Gadge, Director Biome Technologies, founder and the CEO of Biome Technologies. Innovator, independent R&D strategies, consultant and solution provider Biome Technologies undertake contract research and third project in agri-biotech, biofuel, nutraceutical and waste management area. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Praful Gadge to take session on challenges and opportunities in agrochemical. Sir, over to you, Dr. Praful.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, Dr. Praful. Audible? Dr. Praful. Dr. Praful. Audible? Hello, Dr. Praful, whether I'm audible? Hello. Hello. Dr. Praful, Whether I'm audible?
Hello, Dr. Praful, whether I'm audible?
Yeah. Sir.
Hello, Dr. Praful, whether I'm audible? Hello, hello. No audio coming. It is audible. Hello.
From Yash, you are audible.
Okay. Yeah.
तो आ रही है? हाँ, Dr. Praful, you can start now. Okay. मुझे तो किसी की आवाज ही नहीं सुनाई दे रही ना.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Hello, audible?
Dr. Praful Gadke, if am I audible to you, you can kindly start your presentation, unmute yourself and check out the audio because you're already sharing the screen, so you can start your presentation now. Dr. Praful, do I have you? Am I audible to you, sir? Call him, no?
Hello. Participants, please wait for a while. I think a little bit glitch from the speaker side. We will start the presentation soon. Hello. Professor, please unmute yourself and you can share the slides. Yeah.
Is it, sir?
Yeah. Your slide is visible and your voice is also audible, sir. You can start the session, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Apologies for the technical issues. So I'm very thankful for giving me an opportunity to present on some innovative ideas and concepts we are working on to agriculture technologies. Thank you so much, Dr. Mahesh, sir, CCS, and I am National Institute of Agriculture Marketing and the Principal Scientific Advisor's Office, Government of India. Here, basically, I would like to give my intro that who we are. We are basically a contract research laboratory. We provide our regulatory guidelines, training, consultancy services for industries located at Kedgaon Industrial Area, Maharashtra, Ahmednagar. So, moving towards the problem, why the innovations are important and necessary in the Indian agriculture sector is that, as we know that we have been using a good amount of insecticides onto the farm for the crop protection purpose. Moreover, the insecticide is dominant Indian crop protection market and form almost 53% of the domestic agrochemicals market. The data is obtained from the FICCI, and such a huge application of insecticides is going on, though we are far behind in the application of insecticides as compared to the world. So we have two different companies or the sectors working in agrochemical sector in India. The one is domestic companies; those mostly prefer generic molecules, and other one is MNCs; those are having strong R&D know-hows with them, and they have effective molecules in the market. For example, we know chlorantraniliprol molecule, brand named as a Coragen, patented by FMC. Almost 30 to 60 ml of these molecules come to around 600 rupees, and such a huge cost it has. However, the prices of those agrochemicals, they contribute in the increasing production cost of the farmers, as our universities, our research institutions mostly focus on to seed technology, seed development, seed hybridization, but the agrochemical sector is lagging behind in terms of research and development. And since we are dependent on to the external resources for the inventions and innovative molecules in an agrochemical sector, the things are increasing production cost of the farmers, and those increasing production costs deteriorates the economic viability of the farmers. Those things results in the continuation of farmer suicide. So this is one of the major issue in India, as we have to reduce the production cost. So if we reduce the production cost, ultimately the profitability will increase and they won't need an MSP furthermore. as we have been watching, and one of the national issue happening today's date in Delhi. So in this current scenario, current problem statement, a number of small size companies are involved in production and sale of agrochemical inputs. And these companies share a good amount of market. They have local connectivity, so they are able to sell their products on a large scale as compared to MNCs and all major national players. However, these companies cannot afford skilled human resources and infrastructures. However, if there is any startup, even they cannot afford the skilled human resource for the research and development as well as the infrastructure, as the cost goes in crores. So these small companies, they formulate their own version of generic inputs, their own formulations obtained from some of the less technical persons or the persons who were having some experience in the industry, but devoid of further technical expertise. And these things affect the product efficacy and the market presence. Once the product doesn't deliver the results, then it ultimately affects the market presence. Moreover, these their own generic versions of inputs, agrochemicals, particularly pesticides, need to be applied into the more concentration for better results. So all these causes generate environmental issues, generate or the increased farmers' production cost. Moreover, they also cause a big problem in the responsible for the big problem in the sustainability of those small agrochemical industry. As we know that we are saying, our honorable Prime Minister has said that we should go for vocal for local. Also, the same thing applies here in agriculture sector. If we go for local products of our local domestic agriculture agrochemical companies, that will help to maintain the money in our country itself. However, since they do not have those research and development resources with them, they are unable to provide the solutions to emerging issues in the agriculture, particularly related to crop protection. Crop protection is one of the major concerns, as we have witnessed big devastating loss of corn due to American fallworm. Also, we know that how the pink bollworm is affecting cotton, and there are some of the larvae or the insects such as Helicore parmigera, which is feeding more than 200 crop species. So, increasing resistance to presence agrochemicals, moreover, changing government policies require some of the new technologies in the market. So to make these companies sustainable, we are with the solutions here. That is technology development, technical support, and training to those companies. Where if we see more in detail, these things are very uncommonly available in India in today's date. The technologies, universities, and research institutions are having a mostly technologies related to seed industry. However, very few or the rare most technologies are available for the agrochemical sector in Indian research arena. Moreover, the technical support. Other than one government institution, those industries devoid of technical support. So, besides improper technical supports, they formulate improper molecules, improper formulations, and that result into the more and more application for the increasing production cost and environmental issues. So we offer training technologies and technology support for the industry for this purpose. Furthermore, government policies, as we know that government has about to ban 27 pesticide molecules, which are contributing more than 70% of the market sale in today's date for the crop protection. Increasing practice of organic and residue-free farming is also demanding new technologies. Those are environmentally safe insecticides into the market. So, considering all those things, where to bring the technologies is one of the big question in front of small-scale industry in domestic market, domestic agrochemical market, and there are very few, almost no players working in the sector of technology delivery in the agrochemicals. This is one of the potential market for us, and one of the very potential market for startups to enter into. So how do we do that? How do we generate solutions for the agrochemical industry? As we provide consultancy services for residue-free production as well as organic certified organic farming to the farmers, to NGOs and government organizations in different parts of India, through which we pick up the issues, identify those causes. As we are connected with the farmers from apple growers of Kashmir to the vegetable exporters of Theni, Tamil Nadu, we come up with the number of issues and we do resolve those issues in our laboratory. We dissect those issues, we identify the root causes, we find out the solutions onto them, and we convert those solutions into technology and transfer this technology to an agrochemical industry. So our services feature R&D support for product process innovation, shielding intellectual property rights, bioanalysis, validation, and field trials, with a difference to provide leading edge to our clients in a competitive market. So we help the companies to design a policy, design a strategy, implementation to have an leading presence into the market as compared to the competitors besides. So we provide them incoming concepts, help them in defining right business policies necessary to gain market. Moreover, we have specialized R&D capabilities. Those actively collaborate with the internal expertise of the partner to wear the solutions before timeline delays and costly setbacks. As we know that how the COVID-19 spread, the world was knowing later on that it is about to spread worldwide, so one should take precautions. And many countries, before entering those infected peoples into those countries, they started taking precautions. Similarly, we also get the data for pest, invasive pest, about their travel and about their extensive presence, exhaustive presence. So based upon that data, we notify farmers and those agrochemical companies that this pest may get there may be increasing incidence of this pest in the coming future, and we should get ready for those things. So in advance they came to know, and as the prevention is always better than cure, there the farmers and agrochemical companies get leading edge with the help of our expertise, R&D expertise, and our knowledge. So to weigh out the solution before timeline delays and the costly setbacks possible here. So moreover, we generate technologies, as we have several technologies available with us. The technology for green pesticide, we have formulated herbal pesticide technology. And as we know that our domestic agrochemical sector cannot afford the cost of technology purchase, we organized combined training program where the technology industry participates, and we train them for the technology and deliver those formulation and technologies within those training programs. As it is 100% eco-friendly and safe to humans and animals, compatible with all type of international standards like IMO, IFOM, BioCert, EcoCert, as well as, and can and also along with the regulatory guidelines of Government of India. So we train industry about those technologies, and we deliver those technologies. So since very few industries are capable of purchasing this technology at one instance, we collectively arrange training programs in which we distribute the technology. So in those training programs, all the financial requirements as what the investment has been there for the technology development is easy to recover, as well as an social innovator, the technology reach out the market and very on a very large scale, and also reach out towards the farmers. Moreover, there are another sector of biostimulants, plant growth regulators, and organic fertilizers. So, as we have number of issues in today's date regarding regulatory guidelines, regarding technical details of manufacturing. So, in the agri-input training workshop, we train the industry about the efficiency of the formulations, low manufacturing cost formulations. Also, we provide them guidelines and quality analysis and raw material, and along with the finalization of the batches. Moreover, we also introduced to the new upcoming technologies. So these are things we are connected with. Also, we are connected with the industry, academic institutions, where we are trying to bridging the gap between industry and academia. We conduct one of the agri-input training program course that allows students to get insights and practical things onto the current ongoings on the industry. So it makes them very easy to join industry thereafter. So along with the Rabindranath Tagore University, we are also collaborated with the D.Y. Patil Institute's Global Research Center. Moreover, we are also connected with the media, where we are conducting sessions for the awareness about the agrochemicals. So this was all about the biotechnology. We working to resolve the issue of pesticides, their applications, their formulations, their manufacturing, and their rational use. So here in is it audible properly?
Yeah, audible.
Yeah, here in today's session, I would like to focus on to many developmental things into agricultural sections which need to be addressed. As we know, there is a huge gap in between academic institutions and research institutions and industry, so as well as the farmers. So there should be a connecting thing which will connect research institutions, which will connect industry, which will connect farmers. It is very important to connect, get the issues onto the farm immediately, pick up the issues onto the farm immediately, also address the emerging issues with the immediate solutions. So that will help farmers to keep or to maintain the production cost, as if we deliver them immediate solutions with the right technical formulations, with the appropriate molecules, with the innovative products, with the eco-friendly products, that will further add into sustainability of farmers as well as the sustainability of nature as well. So with this motto we are working together, so delivering all those approaches. So considering here what is the importance of technology and how we can uh, make the agriculture sector more sustainable, I would like to give an deliver a presentation over here.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
First of all,
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Continue,
Audible.
continue.
Yes, sir.
Continue, sir.
So here is one thing I would like to tell those are interested in the research and developments in the agriculture. Very basic thing, how we can make the use or application of innovations, and how we can make the agriculture more sustainable and will help the farmers to go for more sustainable way, though they will not need an MSP further. So as we know that if we search onto the Google, what is the cost of egg today? So this has been searched on to 10th October 2020, and the cost of egg was about 5.8 rupees. Moreover, in today's date, the cost of egg, one egg, 7 rupees. So this is the cost of egg for farmer, for market, and for the common man. So if we use some of the innovations, some of the observations, we will be able to put certain more things. As we know, the egg has an albumin present into it. Albumin is a protein which is an white protein powder used in number of applications, and we can separate egg albumin with the help of very cost-effective processes, not costing few hundreds rupees per kg. So the egg white has an 2% of egg albumin. As we know, there were some of the spreadings about the chicken and eggs during the lockdown, and besides that, so there was a huge loss of poultry farmers, and that helped that caused them to shut down their businesses. So with the help of these this kind of innovative solutions, we address the needs of agriculture sector. So here, if we go for the production of albumin from the chicken egg. So chicken egg contains 2% of egg white. And what is the cost of egg albumin into the market? The 1 gram of egg albumin cost around 7,886 rupees 0.89 paisa in Indian rupees in today's date. Moreover, egg also consists of lysozyme, which is an antimicrobial enzyme, which is also present in our tears and number of other biological products. So this lysozyme has number of applications in pharmaceutical industry, in food processing industry, in many other things. So the normal egg consists of 3.5% of egg white protein as in lysozyme, and the cost of egg lysozyme, 1 gram of egg lysozyme is in rupees 5,689 rupees. Thereafter, egg also consists of alpha lecithin. Alpha lecithin is used in the pharma industry as an antioxidant and has a very high demand in today's date due to increased health concerns. And the pack of cost of 25 milligrams of egg lecithin that is egg L-alpha phosphatidylcholine is another scientific name of L-alpha lecithin, is 3,000 rupees. And usually one egg consists of 186 milligram of cholesterol. So considering the economy and the price of one egg, the one egg economics, egg albumin costing rupees 7,800 for the 1 gram, egg lysosome costing 5,600 for the 1 gram, egg L-alpha lecithin 1 gram cost around 6,038. So total 3 gram of those things obtained merely from 10 eggs, and those costing around 19,613. These are the lowest cost and comparatively lowest cost obtained from the market. And all the production cost for these kind of these all three productions or the products manufacturing is less than 1,000 rupees. So in 1,000 rupees, all three products can be obtained. Those are costing more than 15,000 rupees. So if we apply these kind of innovations in the agriculture sector, then we are able to deliver sustainability for the farmer, and they will not need to have some of the bargaining things for the MSPs and all other things. So this is an importance of innovations and developments in the agriculture. Moreover, we have a number of things coming into the agriculture, into precision agriculture. We are also connected with the development of sensors. Those sensors are being developed with in an association with some of the startups, where those sensors independently, when we will put them into the soils, they will pick up and data regarding to the soil pH, soil nutrients, micronutrients, and macronutrients. They will also pick up and data related to moisture, water content. They will also pick up all the sense the presence of pathogens. For example, one of the very important thing how we identify those pathogens. Most of the fungi, those are affecting plant roots. Those are producing alkaline enzymes, and with the help of those alkaline enzymes, mostly proteases and other enzymes, enzyme-based sensors are getting developed. Those sensors will identify the presence of enzymes, react with the enzymes, and that reaction energy and the reaction parameters will send data to the server, and with the help of that, we'll be able to identify the pathogenesis or presence of pathogens or the dominant pathogens into the farm. So as the pathogens getting determined in early, we'll be able to treat the plants with the help of fungicides and other resources, and that will ultimately enhance the production quality of the plant and will help the farmer to retain his produce. So these are number of things present in the agriculture sector, and we can go along with those. Moreover, there are certain things, waste to value issues can be, waste management issues can be encountered in the agriculture sector. As we know, many farmers in the northern India, they are burning waste remain after farming, called as parali, and that is causing a huge or the great pollution in the Delhi and nearby areas. So due to that huge air pollution, it is difficult to breathe and causes several environmental issues. So all those waste resources can be converted into biofuel with the help of innovative technologies, as those waste resources from the farm are mostly containing the cellulosic material, and the cellulosic material upon digestion can be converted into the ethanol. So it is possible to make or generate several small-scale fermenters, eco-friendly fermenters then set up them into the farm, so they will produce ethanol. Moreover, there will be some gas formation, bio-CNG formation can be performed with the help of this, and that will ultimately generate energy and will utilize all the resources. Those are known as waste into the farm. That will reduce the air pollution. Moreover, what is the waste coming out of this fermentation process, that can be used an effective fertilizer for the agriculture sector into the farm. So these are innovative things and innovative resources in today's date present in the agriculture sector. Moreover, can also focus on a number of things, sharing and presentation over here.
Thank you, Dr. Praful. Now I would like request all the participants to unmute and raise their questions one by one, or you can also write your question in the chat box. Audible? Hello? Audible? Audible? Dr. Praful?
Yes,
Sir, one question from my side.
yes, sir,
Uh,
please.
what is the difference between fungicide and insecticide? Because because of that, the agrochemic agrochemicals used in the agriculture sectors, in crops.
Yes. Okay, they all are pesticides. They all come under the pesticide. Insecticides are applied for the control of insects, uh, such as larvae and flies. Moreover, fungicides are used to arrest the growth of fungus, which is of microbial origin.
How to help agrochemicals in agriculture crops?
How to
Help agrochemicals in agriculture crops.
and your question, sir? Will you please repeat again?
Uh, how to help agrochemicals in agriculture crops for control?
Okay.
Audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Now it is. So we are connected with the farmers. We are guiding them to use and prescriptions of pesticides and agrochemicals based upon the exact problem. As we know that even in today's date, the farmers are going to Krishi Seva Kendras and they're asking for the solution that we have this issue in the farm. And the Krishi Seva Kendras, they are delivering some 3 to 4 products. Out of that, only one product is delivering the right application of that particular problem, solution that particular problem, and rather 2 other agrochemicals, those are for the benefit purpose. So here we are developing schedules for the residue-free application of those pesticides, where in those schedules for particular crop, only right application of that particular right application and concentration of that particular insecticide or fungicide will be suggested to the farmer. We are guiding farmers for the residue free production, which is mostly for the export purpose in today's date, that delivers them very good profitability as compared to the conventional chemical farming. Moreover, this residue free farming reduces the production cost of the farmer, as application of pesticides and insecticide is very low here. So here we can also guide farmers for the right application of insecticide and pesticides that will reduce their uh, production cost, as well as that will also reduce the environmental issues.
सर मैं एक चीज और जानना चाह रहा था सर एक्चुअली वी आर यूजिंग बायोपेस्टिसाइड्स इंसेक्टिसाइड एंड राइजोबियम व्हाट इज द सीक्वेंस ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन फॉर क्रॉप्स
Okay,
इन क्रॉप्स
the sequence of the application, initially we should use the biofertilizers along with these treatments, as well as we can also make use of biological pesticides. That is, biological pesticides are Verticillium bicanimeter, Azanim anisopoli, or Bacillus thuringiensis, like that. Moreover, if the pest or infection persists and it
Audible? Sir? Hello. Audible, sir? Audible, sir?
Hello, Dr. Prafulji. Your voice is not audible.
Hello. Audible, sir?
There is some technical problem in your voice. So please check your mic and
Sir, please check your mic. Dr. Praful.
hmm.
Okay, once again, I would like to thank you, Dr. Praful Gadge. Your presentation provided us with deep insight. Many thanks for sharing your invaluable experience in agriculture technology. Participants got benefited from your talk. At last, I would like to thank you everyone for sparing their valuable time with us. Our next webinar will be on Thursday. Okay. Audible, sir? Hello? Audible? All participants? Hello? Audible, sir? Dr. Praful?